Hi dear friend, welcome back to our channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download all old messages of your Facebook account just in a one click. Suppose you want to download last 6 months of your old messages, you can download this all chats of last 6 months just in a one click. And also if you want to download your last 2 years messages of your Facebook account, you can also download these messages. That means you can download any old messages. It can be 1 year old, it can be 2 year old, or it can be 6 month old, anything. So let's start the video. Before that, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. So first of all, make sure your Facebook application is up to date. Okay, then open your Facebook application. I'm gonna open it. Now what you need to do, here click on three lines option in the top corner. Then here click on your settings icon. After that, here tap on your account center. Then from here click on your information and permissions. After that, here click on download your information. Now here click on request a download. Then here select your profile. If you want to download your page messages, you can also tick mark it. Okay, I'm gonna choose my profile. Now click on next. Then here tap on specific types of information. Then here select messages. Okay, now click on next. Here make sure it is in HTML format. Okay, then select your quality of HTML. You can keep it in medium. Okay, now click on here data range. Here select how old data you want to download. Okay, I'm gonna select last 1 year. Okay, then tap on submit request. As you can see, my request is submitted. Now you have to wait for a few minutes. Then you will get a notification on your Facebook account like that. Just tap on it. Then you will see here a download option. Just click on it. Now type here your password, then tap on continue, then again click on download. After that, here choose your Chrome browser. Now here click on download. That's it. After complete download, go to your file manager and open your downloads folder. And now find out your downloaded zip file. As you can see, this is my downloaded file. Click on that file. Then click on extract files to. Then here select your folder where you want to extract it. Okay, I'm gonna select my Bluetooth folder. Okay, now tap on here extract. Wait for a few seconds, it's extracting. Then you will see here a folder. Just open it. Then here click on your activity across Facebook. After that, from here go to inbox. Now you can see this all are the my last 1 year messages. Okay, if I want to see Arang Singh and my last 6 year chats, I need to just click on here that folder. Then you will see here HTML file. Just tap on it. Now you can open it from your any browser or HTML viewer. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the like button of this video. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.